Welcome back everybody. So in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to try to access an element in this sequence here using the reverse index. So what it means that if I wanted to access any element here but using the reverse index, what I will do, let's say I wanted to access 20. What I will say, I'll just say print, then I'll say A, then I'll call the length of A, then let's say -1. It will access for me 20, meaning that this is the length of A is 10 and -1, which is 9, so this is at position 9. What if I wanted to use the reverse index to access it? I'll just call -2, and -2 is 1, 2 has accessed 18, but if I wanted to access 20, I'll just call -1, and I have simply accessed 20. Now what if I wanted to use the in combination when I'm slicing, trying to slice but using negatives? So what I would say, what if I wanted to slice 10 up to 18? Now to slice 10 up to 18, what I would do, I would say -5, and in this case -5 is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is -5, and then -1. -1 is 20, but in this case it's going to leave 20 and stop at 18 when I slice that, and that's why we have 10, 12, 16 and 18. So that would be how to access an element in a sequence using the reverse index, and it would be as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.